Hello everyone, Pat the Sound Guy, your friendly neighborhood sound guy, back again with another Linux tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to make a bootable USB stick in Linux. Stay tuned. Let's look at the laptop, shall we? I have my laptop with Ubuntu Studio running, just been updated to version 20, and we have a wonderful piece of software we're going to install on this that is already installed in Linux Mint, and it's already installed in Peppermint, and this is called Mint Stick. And I showed you this on the past video. I'll put that video in the description on how to install Peppermint Linux. I use Ubuntu Studio for a lot of my production work when I'm dealing with, editing and that sort of thing on the laptop with video editing and audio editing, because Reaper does run in Linux. So here we go. We're going to go to this particular web address here, and I'm going to put that in the description for you so you can go and follow along and install this. It's very simple. It's a .deb file, which is just like an executable in Windows. So basically we're going to go download this guy, this MintStick 1.4.4. And it's very simple. We go to our downloads, and here we go, MintStick. You see I've already downloaded it. Double click it, and it's going to open up in the software manager, and we can install MintStick. And of course we have to put in our password. So now that we've installed MintStick, we can go over to the menu bar and type USB, and that gets us our two items here that were just installed with MintStick. We have the USB image writer and the USB stick formatter. Both are very handy tools. The stick formatter is very amazing because it'll format a USB stick that has had a operating system put on it, where if in Windows or the regular format tool in Linux won't format the stick if it has an operating system on it. And this is the way to get it back, where in Windows you'd have to use the SD format tool. So this is the same idea. So we'll go to the USB image writer to write our USB stick. We're going to pick an image, and let's try the 64-bit Bodhi operating system, which is Linux. We'll open that, and we'll pick our USB stick. And before we can write it, we have to give it permission. Simple as that. We're writing to a USB stick. Now, there is a other piece of software which I showed on the other video that's available for Linux and also Windows, and it's called Etcher. So you can use Etcher to install to USB sticks in Linux. Etcher. And of course, I've already been there. We can download it. Downloads for Linux x64. And save the file. Of course, it's very quick to download. And there you go, an app image. We can extract it. So here's our extraction tool. Press extract. Download it. Extract to the downloads folder. Sure. And there's Etcher app image. All you have to do is same idea as the .deb. Just double click it. And there you go. There's Etcher. So same idea. Flash from a file. You pick your file. Random file. Select your target, which would be the USB stick that's in there. And of course you just select flash. And that's the same idea as the MintStick, which has just finished doing the USB stick. So there we go. There's a bootable USB stick that quickly. So there's two ways to make a USB stick bootable under Linux. Off you go. And there you have it. A super easy way to make a bootable USB stick in Linux. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my new videos. And smash that like button, and we'll see you on the next one.